Third graders, happy Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, April 21st. And today I'm going to be talking about your independent work for today. Friends, before I really get started, I want to let you know that we start a brand new math unit today, like brand new, haven't seen it since second grade. There's going to be more stuff added to it. If I were you and were able, I would come on Zoom this morning. If you do not come on Zoom this morning at 8:45, you absolutely need to watch the video. If you do not watch the video, you are not going to understand what this lesson is at all. So please make that choice for yourself. Also on Zoom this morning, sorry guys, my dog is very loud. Also on Zoom this morning, I will be going over some of the questions from the math test yesterday. So please join us and we'll do more of that review after school on Thursday. I'm going to click on science and we're going to continue talking about soil. And with these, it's going to let you sort them and move them so you can put them where you think they go. So like I think bedrock goes here. And then it'll tell me if I'm right. And I think topsoil goes here. So it's just like a little game to play. Then you're going to read about soil and what soil does for our environment. There's a video here to watch. And then you're going to do some practice questions here. And then there is a quick check, friends. You have multiple attempts on this quick check. It is 5 questions. Do your best. And I believe that's all for science. Yep. All right, then you're gonna move on to math. Now, friends, this is a video. I said you have to watch this video. It's talking about graphing. Like I said, brand new. And they're gonna talk about skip counting and how skip counting helps us with our graphing unit. So you need to make sure that you watch it and you pay close attention because they're gonna talk about when you use a key to figure out how to read a graph. The video is up twice because they have it in Spanish as well. And then you have an exit ticket for that video. Guys, I took out the problem set because we're gonna do it live on Zoom in a Smart Suite. And then on here, friends, you're gonna use this graph to answer the questions. What I wanna point out to you is it says each circle represents 3 students. So when you count up these circles, it's like 3 for each. You really need to be mindful of that. This here at the bottom, that's called the key. It tells us what the value of whatever it is on our graph. There's going to be some fill in the blank questions. So it says the same number of students picked blank and blank as their favorite sport. So look at the graph and look which ones are the same. How many students picked tennis as their favorite sport? Friends, remember each one represents 3 students. 3 students. How many more students picked soccer than tennis? How many more? How many more, friends? That means you're going to figure out how many are in each of those sports, and then you're going to subtract so you can find out how many more. How many total students? So that means you count up all of them. Remember, each circle equals 3. And how many students pick soccer and tennis all together? Think about what all together means when you're combining something. And then you're going to submit. Once you are done with that, you have your quick check. Friends, a quick check. This can help you earn some extra points on that math test yesterday. A lot of us struggled. So I'm going to see how we do on this quick check today. And then I'm going to make some adjustments to that test. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but we'll see how we do on here. And after I see how that goes, we'll see if we can adjust some things. So take your time and do your best on it, friends. That's my advice to you. A lot of mixed numbers questions, a lot of improper fractions, a lot of visuals. Guys, you can always zoom in on your screen too if you don't know what it says. I think you can use your little, your mouse to help you zoom. Okay, so friends, this can really help you improve that grade on your test if you weren't pleased with your score yesterday. If you got below, say below a 13 or 14 on that test yesterday, you're going to really want to come to tutoring tomorrow and we can help you with it. But you guys need to make that choice to come to tutoring after school so that we can help you. So there's your quick check. I'm going to submit my quiz. It's all fraction review. You do get multiple attempts on this one. Then you have Dreambox. Friends, I'll have the page set up that you normally see where it goes directly to Dreambox, but there will be Dreambox there. And then you'll be done with math. Last thing is reading, guys. Today you have a word analysis quiz and fiction. So you're going to read about Amber's new friend and answer the questions. And then, guys, once you get through the first few questions about this same passage, you're going to see questions like this, and these are word analysis questions. It says, which two words, so you're looking for two words, are synonyms for the word intense. So you're going to read the sentence and see which words are synonyms. That means the same. Which two words are synonyms for ordinary? Same thing, more than one answer. What words below has a prefix and a suffix? That means that they have an affix put on the beginning and the end of the word. What word uses the prefix re in the same way as the word redo? So friends, look at these words. Ooh, sorry, I clicked too quickly. Look at these words and make sure that you are taking the word apart to make sure it makes sense. If you take out the re and there's no word on its own, it's not going to be correct. Which words below have 3 syllables? Friends, you can clap them out to help you. Remember, it says words. Which words below are correctly broken into syllables? Friends, this one's tricky. Clap them out. See if it sounds right. Break it apart. All right, so you're going to take that. Then you have your read aloud. It's called The Aquanaut. This book is awesome. I love this book. It's a new book too. You have your reader's response. And then, guys, we're doing writing a little bit differently for the next few weeks. We're going to be doing creative writing. So today says you get an unlimited supply of Legos. And you can watch this video. This video will help encourage you. You have 2 days, which is 48 hours, to build whatever you want with them. In your writing, I want you to tell me what you're building and why, who you want to help you build it. How big is this thing that you're building and where will I be able to find it? Like, where are you putting it? Is it in Alaska? Is it at your house? Is it your new house? Did you build yourself a house? I want to know where it is. Then you have Smarty Ants and independent reading, friends. And that is your work for today. Please send me an email if you have any questions. Please come to Zoom this morning, guys. It's brand new stuff. It's important. We really want to see you there. And we will see you on Thursday morning, and we will continue our graphing unit and working together. I hope you have a fabulous Wednesday. Please send me any questions that you may have.